Fine Arts Matters has been a great choice for us. We started at school through a teacher, brick and mortar, face-to-face kind of lessons, and my little guy loved it. We went through a full semester that way. He got a guitar for Christmas. He was so excited. And then we came home for COVID-19 and social distancing, and he was really upset. And then Fine Arts Matters stepped up, and they sent us our emails, they sent us our Zoom links, and they said, guys, classes will continue. And we did it online. I was a little skeptical at first, but I gotta tell you, their teachers are professionals. They really know how to be present with these young students and how to relate to the young students. And we're playing full songs we've never played before. And so it's been a great experience for my second grader, now rising third grader, and he has a learning disability. So he cannot catch on to things too fast. And they've learned his speed. They've been able to teach it his speed, and it's just fabulous. So I absolutely guarantee that you're going to love Fine Arts Matters online.